Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our computer session. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, that is paragraph and page formatting in Word 2016. Word is used to make presentations, okay? To make a presentation of text in a document, okay? So why we are using this formatting in this chapter? To look good, look the to give the presentation a good look, okay? So first you get to know how to start Word. You can just right click here and see that new button is there here, Microsoft Word document, okay? Or you can just see that there is a start button, and beside that there is search button. You can click on that, write Word, then click on the Word app, blank document. This is how you can start a Word page, okay? This is quick access bar, this is title bar, this whole is called ribbon, okay? The status bar, this is blank page. So this is what we have come across the Word, okay? Now we will what to do, we will change text case, okay? How to do changing text case? See, this what I have written, okay? So how we will change the text? Where we will go? We can change the case of existing text without retyping it by making changing case. So where is the changing case? This is the changing case. A, capital A and small a. Select the text to be formatting. अब पहले आपको क्या करना है? पहले आपको इसको क्लिक करना है, ओके? Then this clicked. Then this is in the home tab. यहाँ पे home tab में this one is appear, okay? Then first is sentence case, second is lower case, then third is upper case, then capitalize each word and toggle case. One by one we will know. First we will select first one, okay? Then we will go to the changing text case. First is sentence case, okay? Then next is sentence case, only the first letter of the sentence is display in the upper case. Only first letter जो वो capital letter होगा, rest will be lower. Then second I will select it. Then same lower case. So lower case, all the letter display in the lower case, means सब सारे small letters में होंगे. Then third one is upper case. All the letter are in capital letter, okay? Then fourth one is capitalize each word. See, in capitalize each word, the first letter of the each word is display as upper case. First letter है जो वो capital letter होगा, okay? See, all the first letter are in capital and rest are in small letter. Then fifth one is toggle case. इसमें first letter R is small and rest of are the capital letter, okay? This word is about changing text in case. Then now next is displaying text as a superscript or subscript. What is superscript? We can easily type below or above letter normal. This is what we type normal. Okay, what we type in normally. H2O. Okay, and what is it use? Like I want to do this H2O. Okay, ये नॉर्मल में हम लिख सकते हैं, बट H2O हमें मुझे केमिकल फार्मूला ऐसा लिखना है, तो व्हाट विल आई डू? फर्स्ट टाइप H, then this is subscript and this is superscript. Okay, I will click on subscript. तो ये जो वर्ड जो मैं I have to write below normal text line, so I have to click on it 2. Okay, then close, then write O, right? And what in do normally हम कैसे लिखते हैं H2O, ये normal, and this is what is subscript. Okay, then ये नीचे था subscript में. Now the character above the normal line. Normally what we will write, अगर if I write 2 3 6, that is not looking like 2 3 ja 6 or 2 above 3. Okay, so what will I do? I will write 2, then I will click on superscript 3, then I will make it close, equals to 6. Okay, to 6. Okay, so what is about the superscript and subscript? Okay, the character basically it is used while we are doing chemical writing formulas, or want to write the characters above the normal line. Okay, so students, I hope you get to know what is in the formatting of this. Is the starting of the formatting in Word, the changing in text, and how to display text in superscript and subscript. Okay, so student, once you try to do in your laptop or in your computer, so that you can know what is in it, at least you can you have the practice to do, and watch this video carefully, as well as read the books for your reference. Okay, thank you everyone.